Bathroom fixtures play a vital role in our everyday lives, providing essential functionality and enhancing the overall aesthetic of our bathrooms. In this video, we will delve into the world of bathroom fixtures, exploring various types such as faucets, tubs, toilets, and more. Faucets are one of the most commonly used bathroom fixtures. They come in various styles, shapes, and finishes to suit our personal preferences. In this scene, we will explore different types of faucets, including single-handle, double-handle, wall-mounted, and touchless faucets. A bathtub is not just a functional element in a bathroom, it can also be a luxurious centerpiece. This scene will take you on a journey to discover different types of bathtubs, such as freestanding, alcove, corner, and whirlpool tubs. Prepare to be inspired by the possibilities. Toilets are an essential bathroom fixture that we often take for granted. In this scene, we will unveil the secrets of toilets, exploring different types like one-piece, two-piece, wall-hung, and smart toilets. Get ready to learn about the latest technologies and features that make our bathroom experiences more convenient and efficient. Aside from faucets, tubs, and toilets, there are several other bathroom fixtures that can enhance the overall functionality and style of your space. This scene will introduce you to fixtures such as shower heads, sinks, vanities, and mirrors. Discover how these elements work together to create a cohesive and inviting bathroom design. Now that you have a deeper understanding of bathroom fixtures, it's time to design your dream bathroom. Remember to consider your personal preferences, budget, and the overall style of your home. With the right fixtures in place, you can create a functional and visually appealing bathroom that meets all your needs.